I come from the islands, I was raised in community, and a big thing that's important for me is creating spaces of belonging. And a big proud moment was, for me, is like it's kind of scattered throughout like the last few years of my life. But I love and I'm really good at like drawing from my own experience, creating spaces of belonging for people. Connected to belonging, I love to dance, especially the Tongan, any type of dance really, but in Tongan culture, my village that I'm from in Lapaha is known for Tongan culture dancing. So any dancing, any Tongan music, I'm always wanting to dance or to taolunga. And one of my proudest moments was here when I moved here in high school. I went to Marist College, which didn't have a lot of knowledge around dance and learning it properly and speaking the language. And a big part of my, I guess, it was a goal, but it was a vision, was to share as much of the dance and the language because of Tongan young people, Tongan people who grew up in Aotearoa, who feel a sense of belonging to Aotearoa, but not to where they were from in Tonga, even like just by language or dancing or listening or connecting to that. Once you feel connected, when you're speaking your language so naturally, so openly, there's a vulnerability in it, and in that it's raw and it's a gift. For me, when I can speak in Tongan and just boom, 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 I feel like if you can see me for my truest expression. And there is a thing about, there's something in it when people see you in that state and go, oh, that's it. Like we see you in all your entirety and in your wholeheartedly authentic self.